5 reasons why your land may be suitable for solar farm development. Solar farms are a contentious issue in the UK. Some see them as an eyesore, while others believe they are a crucial part of the fight against climate change. Regardless of your opinion on solar farms, there is no denying that they are here to stay. The UK government has been investing heavily in renewable energy, and solar farms, along with battery storage, are a big part of that. If you are a landowner in the UK, you may be wondering how you can get involved in this growing industry. The answer is yes, you can. In this video, we will explore what is required from your land. 1. Is your land easily connected to the grid? If your land is near a grid connection, you could be eligible to receive payments for the electricity that your solar farm generates. Solar farms connected to the national grid can sell the electricity produced directly to energy suppliers. 2. Does your land have the correct land status? There may be a few instances where your land may need to align more effectively with a solar development due to its legal status. For solar or battery storage developments, it is not typically best to build on protected land, be it a national park, nature reserve, or site of specific interest. There may be exceptions to this rule, but be aware that extra measures would need to be put in place to preserve the surrounding area. Landowners should undertake a flood risk assessment to avoid areas that are high risk. Lastly, it's essential to consider the quality of the agricultural land you want to utilize. A land of lower fertility is preferred, so as to disrupt food production as little as possible. 3. Is the site large enough to be cost-effective? The average solar farm in the UK is between 5 and 40 acres. Some farms are much larger. One in Cornwall covers 250 acres, whilst smaller farms come in at 1 acre. It is important to note that as farms get bigger, they can become more efficient due to optimizing maintenance costs and minimizing energy loss. Fragmented land is not advised. 4. Will the area receive adequate sunlight? When it comes to solar farms, location is vital. The sunniest spots in the UK are typically found in the south of England, making this area the best place to site a solar farm. In general, locations with more sunshine hours and a higher angle of sun are better suited for solar farms. However, there are other factors, such as cloud cover and shading from trees or buildings. Flat land is ideally south-facing, whilst north-facing land is generally avoided. 5. Is your land away from residential areas? If your land is away from residential areas, you may wonder if it's suitable for a solar farm. The answer is yes. In fact, this can be an advantage. Solar farms located away from populated areas tend to have lower operating costs, with noise and light pollution being less of an issue. In addition, these sites often have access to roads and the national grid. Secondly, it helps avoid public opposition. Whilst many people may be for renewable technologies, they prefer these to be located away from their homes. If your land meets the above criteria, click the link or button below for more information.